To set custom notification sound on the Samsung A37 5G, take a look. Open the settings, go to the sound and vibration, open notification sound, and as you can see, I can find custom sounds. And how we can do that? Simply start by opening this. Now click on the internal storage, and first of all you have to locate your sound that you want to set as notification. So if it is available, for example, in the downloads, you will have to just click and hold it, select copy. Let's do this one more time, copy. Click over here on this internal storage tile. Now go for notifications and put this over here. I know that it's APK file, but this is just an example how to move this file. As you can see, it's available here. And now when you go into this, we can find a custom sound. So now we can pick it up, and we can do this for each of our SIM card, by the way, and we can just go back.